Welcome to Universal Studios. So now we're gonna go do Minion Mayhem, and then we're gonna head towards Harry Potter. We were gonna go straight to Harry Potter, but last time we were here, Minions had like a 45-minute wait. So good morning, and here's our OOTD for the day. The Tivas for sure, but I got my brand new shirt that I got from Harry Potter World. Keep in mind that whenever they do ask for your ID, they are going to do that for every adult in your party, so make sure you do that. Okay, so we're in Universal Studios, so we just went ahead and did the Despicable Me Minion Mayhem, because that sometimes is a huge line. Kids really loved, well, Caitlin really loved it. But Bakley got a little scared on the stationery. So we're heading over to Harry Potter's Diagon Alley, which we love. See if we can get a wand time today, and maybe get to ride some Gringotts. So we're super having a great day. We love Universal, and it's such a cool ambiance. It's a little creepy. It's kind of like jail cells, but you can see people loading on the ride. It's really cool. So my kids have gotten scared of Gringotts because of the dragon, and so now we are going to just ride ourselves it just for us to ride. Okay, so we got done with Gringotts. We really love Gringotts. A little hard for me to see though because it's dark with all kinds of shadowy type elements. Now we're gonna go over and do Fast and the Furious. We got a virtual line queue for that. Maybe come back over here because she has the wand experience at 11:05. We'd be here at 11, so that's kind of the plan, at least for right now. Gringotts again is a little bit too scary for little kids because we had a snake situation and a dragon. So if you have kids a little bit on the scared side, again, my kids didn't want to ride, so just keep that in mind for your younger kids. New ride experience, Fast and the Furious, supercharged. Bakley can't ride because she's not tall enough. Fast and the Furious, super excited for this. I believe Caitlin's gonna ride. One of the best movie franchises of all time. Cannot wait to ride this. Super theming. Wow, look at those cars! Child swap situation is that you do have to carry your child through the entire queue or walk them through it. So just keep that in mind if your child's very heavy, doesn't want to be done that way. A lot of the times you cannot take your stroller all the way through that. So Universal doesn't necessarily have it as good as Disney for that type of situation. So but most of the time they seem to be having air-conditioned rooms for you to sit like on the floor and stuff in. Sometimes they have chairs, sometimes not, but at least it is air conditioning, usually the cold floor to sit on, so it's usually not that bad because you're in the heat of the summer anyways, or just the heat of Florida, so it's not too bad. So now, but it is nice though, as soon as he gets off the ride, I'm able to get up and just get right on the ride. So it's really short, so it's actually quicker than whenever you do it at Disney and you have to go through the fast pass line. So there are pros to cons of both. Just know that you still can do it with the little ones. It's just more conducive if you have older kids and this kind of stuff.
Good morning. Oh, I think, madam, you may have spelled something on your shirt.
You got me.
You may have spelled something.
Smart.
Well, welcome to the Narbos. How may I help you there?
Right here is the Black House. There he goes, look. Look, Bakley and Elf, look up there. For frozen butterbeer. Gotta try it. The Daily Prophet, you can hear them where they're talking there. Really neat. I love Diagon Alley. It's so amazing. Notice the hat where the rabbit's there and then it's not. I love everything about Diagon Alley. So Fast and the Furious, we rode it. It was weird. Like Caitlin said, it was on a party bus. If you have little kids, just know there are guns and some violence. But Caitlin wasn't scared on that ride. It was a little weird. I really loved it because the way the ending was, but it was okay. I mean, I don't know if I'll have to do it again for sure. Not anything to necessarily write home about. But it's a neat ride vehicle.
Right over here on the medallion. Kayla, you may know that every Ollivander wand has a core of a powerful magical substance. We use unicorn hairs, phoenix tailed feathers, and the heartstrings of dragons. No two Ollivander wands are the same. Just as no two unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite Leviosa. You have a lot of power, young lady, but I'm afraid this is not your wand. Akio ladder. Tricky customer you are, baby. I wonder. Perhaps this and pick it up and hold it above your head. A wand of ivy is drawn to a strong wizard, one that is resilient, one that values friendships and family. Oh, this wand is excellent for it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Kayla. It's the map to show you where to
Look at that! That's amazing! Becky likes the box. Almost got it.
There you go. Is that it?
Cool, look at that.
One. She goes down and back. Yeah, you gotta do that motion. See?
Cletus's Chicken Shack. We're eating over here at Fast Food Boulevard, like where the Krusty Burger and Cletus's Chicken Shack is and everything. Well, they've closed everything down, so you have to do everything by mobile order. And they just separate us all, so we're technically actually eating in Moe's of where we're sitting. But inside there's like a mural of Springfield and stuff like that. So I got the chicken and waffles from Cletus's, which I'm excited about. And Caitlin got the Louis, I think, pizza. Or, I don't know what kind of pizza it is, the kids' meal pizza. You had to actually go up and order the kids' meal though. So, but yeah, but you could get a Krusty Burger or get any of the stuff that you wanted in here. So we definitely wanted to try it out here. Chicken and waffles. A little weird. Looks like a storm is rolling in. We tried to do the twirl and hurl, but it's already closed with the storm. So we're gonna go ride Simpsons ride, but unfortunately I don't think Lexi can ride this either. But Bye.